It's the 4th of July, so you know we gotta kick it off with a tubing comp, and losers gotta buy dinner.
It was 1989, my thoughts were short, my hair
Round
was
2,
long.
baby.
Caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan.
Out of here first.
Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never went.
Keeper's loser. So we got the map pulled up, and we're about to navigate to dinner for free.
And we were trying different
If you guys want to grab the quad lock mount for navigating on your boat, go to the link in my bio, man. They're sick. Grab one.